Yeah. So another
Yeah.
question goes to you, like, as so how do you schedule your YouTube content? And I mean to say, there is a particular schedule you follow it, that you have to do like 3 videos or the 4 videos in a week, or it's like that?
No schedules. No. So when so I just check the email and I usually have an idea, okay, this week we'll try uploading 3 or 4 videos. So
Hmm.
send the email to them, I reply the emails and I'll just check whether they are available. And when they are available, I make a video. So doing a video is very easy. Having a conversation is very simple, but the thing that takes a lot of time is editing. I do
Hmm.
edit my video like hell. Like 1 2 hours I spend on editing. So for just half an hour video, I spend time like more than 2 hours on just editing the video. So I make the video. If the video size is around 40 minutes or 35 minutes, I shrink it to 20 25 minutes. I remove most of the parts. Like some of the topics some of the topics that we speak in the video, those are really boring. People
Hmm.
really not interested in watching those topics, listening to those topics, and especially when your video is really boring in the first 1 or 2 minutes, people will right away close down the video. They won't even see more than that. So I make sure the first 1 minute of my video should be something interesting. Like if someone clicks on the video and comes to see the video, so whatever the reason they have come for, they should get it in the first minute itself.
Okay, so kind of hook you try to create, and
Yes, it
you
not
of
only
course
hook.
reduce. Mhm.
I've tried hooking. Hooking is actually you cannot work on hooking for a long time because people will find out, okay, this is a hook. They will know it. But if a person clicks on your video, the video thumbnail you're mentioning as how did you learn English? That's the thumbnail that you
Hmm.
mentioned. And when the person clicks on the video, immediately you give the answer. This is what I did to learn my English. So they get the answer. The answer would be for around 1 minute. So they will be in the watching mode. So this is not a hook, this is more like giving what they wanted in the beginning itself.
It's more like avoiding clickbait. So sometimes
Yes.
people write something else on the thumbnail, and just they come up with something else in the video, right?
Yeah, that's actually very pathetic way to do it, right? Actually, you know what? People will really get angry when you do that. And if you put something in the thumbnail and if it's not there in the video, they will be really pissed off because they will be waiting for that content in the whole video. And if they are not able to see it, so that will get you a lot of unsubscribers. People will, unsubscribe your channel if we do that. Actually, I tried that once and I found out quickly, okay, it's not working.
It's not good at all. People feel really angry at the end, that because you wrote something and they are just watching the whole video to get that, but maybe that is not there in that video, so that's why they don't like it. So it
Yeah,
happens nowadays. Many people do it to get more and more videos, more and more
right.
views.